speed. Push down on the handle, the faster you go. There's no reverse, so you just kind of walk it back. I'll demonstrate that right now. So we get the auger going. I'm going to work on this handle, and engages the auger. And as I walk along, I'm going to push down on this handle, and I'll pick up some speed. It's actually pretty cool. I did notice too, it gets really right down to the ground pretty good, as you can see here. It's pretty close to the pavement. And I think did an excellent job of clearing the snow out. compare the Toro 724 SnowMaster against the Ariens Crossover 20. The differences between the two is the Crossover does have, you know, steel chute on it. It seems to go right along. It doesn't have self-drive wheels, so you do have to push it a little bit, but the auger in the front seems to help you along and pulling the machine into the snow. So you really didn't have too much of a problem going out into the snow over there. The only thing I kind of found a little cumbersome with it is that when you do have your hand on the throttle, you're trying to adjust the chute, you kind of have to bend over the machine a little bit like this to adjust the manual handle right here, as opposed to having a joystick and standing by it right here, or else you have to kind of lean over the bar. But the Toro 724, what I liked about this machine is it does have the joystick right here. It does have the self-drive wheels on it. The chute is easy to maneuver and lift the front up and down to throw the snow where you want it to go, as opposed to the manual handle that you have to kind of bend over and lift right here. This machine here, they both did tackle an 18-inch snowbank. If I had to pick out a con on the Toro 724, it'd probably be that the chute's made out of plastic, but it didn't really seem to matter. The snow didn't seem to stick to the inside of it. As you can see, it's perfectly cleared out. There's no snow stuck in there, and I think being plastic, it kind of shoots the snow farther, maybe because the snow isn't sticking to it. If I had to take an educated guess, that might be the reason. What I did like about this machine is that it does have the self-drive wheels on it, so it does help to push you along a little quick. It's less upper body strength. The snow in the driveway here was about 6 to 8 inches. It's kind of been blown all around. Another thing I wanted to point out too is the Toro has a little bit different technology than the Ariens Crossover, in the sense that the auger is designed a little bit different. There aren't any shear pins that will break away inside of the Toro auger. So if you hit something hard, it'll cut power to the engine. Once the machine is shut off, you can safely clear out, you know, whatever might be blocking the auger. Always be careful with that. With the Ariens Crossover 20, it's a more traditional auger, and it does have like a gearbox in the middle here and some shear pins. And not that that's a bad thing. It's, you know, how snowblowers have been for a very long time. So if you do hit something hard, it might break a shear pin, and then you can just like replace it. So just kind of just wanted to break these machines down, tell you the pros and cons of the both of them, so you guys can make a decision on your own. They're both excellent machines. They did the job well, and I hope you enjoyed the demonstration that we put on for you guys.